I know you want to know what's happening in the market. We're going to talk about that. Happy New Year to you, Lee Tessier from eXp Realty. So let's get into the market. Actually, this is the first time we've seen it's been more of a buyer market than it has been a seller market, just so you know what's going on. And we get in some trends. But look, if you look at home sales, down 40% actually in Baltimore and Harford County. So exactly the same. Days on market's up slightly, still 18 days, still pretty darn low. 320, so the appreciation's actually stayed the same as last year. List to sell ratio is important. That's down 1%, meaning buyers are getting a little bit more of a discount. And new inventory, less to choose from still, 41% less. And you look at pending sales, so next month we're going to probably see about that number, about 32%. You know, we went from like 31, 32% in November down, and now we're at 40, so we're probably going to be somewhere in that range, 30 to 40% less. Again, this is more like 2019, 2021 were anomalies. So just getting a little bit more course corrections. So inventory again, home sold was down 40%. Average days on market increased 27 days. Harford County's been at 18. And if we look at last year's prices versus this year in Baltimore County was up 4.4 on what's sold. List to sell ratios, again, look at the difference. We're seeing buyers get a discount. So last year was about 100%. This year 97.7, so down 2.2. Harford County, we're seeing it down 1%. New listing inventory, again, down 18%, not as dramatic as Harford County, but we're getting there. And then you look at pending sales. So pending sales for next month, down 34%, down 32%. You're seeing these patterns. Again, this is over. The beginning of last year was really busy. The first 6 months of the year was busy. Then it started slowing down. Inventory, you know, we are down to 191. I mean, that's 49% of what our 5-year average typically is. And if you look at Baltimore County, 836 versus 1202, we're closer to 70%. So just know that there's less inventory. Again, that's not making prices, this is not going down. We're not seeing this be negative. You're still seeing appreciation here. Last month was like 7%, or the month before in November. So we're still seeing certain segments of the market that are still selling well over because it's inventory. How much supply and demand is there? Everything's still selling fast. 18 days on the market is still fast, even though that's up 12.5%. If you look at average days on the market, we went back to like 2009-10, you'd see like 220 days. So this is nothing to fright about. You know, just know that you're still in a beauty contest and pricing war. Make sure you're prepared to go on the market. Don't stick it on there just willy-nilly. It still has to be professionally marketed. Do the best job you can getting your house on the market. Take professional advice. Don't just, hey, I'm going to sell for sale by owner, because we've heard from some past clients that were going to sell for sale by owner, and then we sell it for a lot more than they're expecting. And then they go through some missteps, or they tried selling it, they went under contract, the deals fall apart. Now is more important to have professional advice than anything. So, if you have questions about what's going on in the market, where you're at, what your home price should be priced at, what things do you need to do to get on the market, feel free to give us a call, 410-638-9555. Hope you're having an awesome day. Take care.